The wise men were wise because they worshiped Jesus, not Mary, not Joseph. The Bible is very clear. Pagpasok nila sa bahay, nagpatira pa sila kay Jesus. They worshiped Him. The wise men were wise because they gave gifts to Jesus, not to Mary or Joseph, and not to each other. Hindi sila nagpalabunutan at nagkris-kringle. Hindi sila nagmunito-manita. Hindi sila nag-exchange gift. Ang ka-exchange gift nila, ang Diyos. Diyos ang nagbigay kay Jesus, so silang lahat nagbigay back to God. Walang exchange gift among themselves. Maganda naman na mag-exchange gifts tayo-tayo. Pero huwag lang kakalimutan ng dapat na original na recipient ng gift natin, ang Diyos at si Jesus. Because the cycle of gift giving began with God. And so, to complete that cycle, we have to give to God. We are not forbidden to give to one another. Pero kung nagbibigay lang tayo to each other at wala sa Diyos, anong Pasko yun? Kulang. Dapat buo.